Hi there, it's Miss Mason here. Let's talk about how a sunflower starts as a seed and grows into a plant. First, I'm going to show you the pictures, and you're going to tell me the story. Then, I'm going to tell you how a seed grows into a wonderful flower. So, what happens first? Great job! What happens next? Awesome! What happens after that? Finally, what happens last? You're right. Very good job. First, a seed is sowed or planted into the soil. Next, a little root comes out of the seed and grows down into the soil. Then, a stem shoots up out of the ground and the leaves start growing. The plant is now called a seedling. Last, the leaves grow bigger and a big flower grows at the end of the stem. Many plants grow from seeds, just like this one. A seed is either planted or sometimes it just falls into the soil or the dirt. After a seed is planted in the soil, the seed cracks open and a small root emerges. This is just one tiny little root that comes out at first. Then a seedling pushes up out of the ground. The top part of this plant is called a seedling. It's the small part of a plant. The seedling is a tiny plant. Larger roots grow down into the soil. The seedling gets bigger and bigger. It's no longer a seedling. It is a plant with leaves and flowers. It is a sunflower. The roots of the plant keep growing down and down into the soil so that way it can hold the long stem. The stem stands up straight and tall, holding the flower into place. The plant has grown from a tiny seed into a sunflower. Trees do the exact same thing. If you remember in our story, a tree starts out from an acorn. An acorn is a small seed or a nut that grows a tree. All plants start out as seeds or nuts and grow into bigger plants. Some grow into trees, like the ones that we saw in our story, and others grow into plants or flowers, like a sunflower. Great job learning about how plants grow with me.